Hi Brain Warriors. So the question for today is about matcha tea. Is it good? Is it not good? Well, matcha tea is actually really good under certain circumstances. So what matcha tea is, matcha green tea, is it's the actual tea leaf ground up. So rather than discarding the leaves, because green tea is great for you on so many levels, but rather than discarding the leaf, they've decided to grind up the tea leaf, so you're actually getting all of the benefit of that tea leaf, the antioxidants and all of that go along with green tea, and you're getting it in a concentrated form. You're getting more of it. So that part's good. What I would caution you about is the commercial types of matcha green tea, which contain usually a lot of sugar and other ingredients. So if you are going to a chain coffee shop, for example, you have to be careful because they come pre-mixed and there's oftentimes way more, not just sugar, but other chemicals in it. That's what I'd be careful of. If you're talking about just straight matcha green tea, you're ordering an organic form of it that doesn't have pesticides, because you don't want to be consuming tea leaves that have pesticides. You're going to get all the good stuff, the antioxidants, the theanine, the ECGC, I'm not even going to attempt to tell you what that means, the quercetin, so things that actually help to expand and extend your telomeres, which is your anti-aging, without giving you a whole lesson, helps with the anti-aging process. Helps you feel better, helps with inflammation, to decrease inflammation, helps your brain to focus better, but you are going to get more caffeine. So because you're grinding up that tea leaf and you're not discarding it, you're going to get about the equivalent in 1 cup of matcha green tea as you are in a cup of coffee. Normally you get about 1/3 of the caffeine in 1 cup of green tea if you're discarding the leaves. So you just need to know that. I hope this was helpful and would love to remind you to leave questions and comments. Go to tanaamen.com, leave me a question or a comment in the comment section. That will enter you into a drawing to win my cookbook, which is super awesome and helpful during the holidays. There's a whole holiday section in there. Be sure to share this with someone you love if you think it's helpful. Make sure you tap the bell. You'll be notified then when I have new videos coming out, and make sure you tag me. Thanks.